was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Rheal Superfoods for quite a while now. I love mixing them in smoothies and also ice water as a nice pick-me-up. So they've just released a new plant collagen one, and this is the Daily Beauty Blend that includes lucuma, I think that's how you pronounce it, pea protein, pink pitaya and also vitamin C. As well as this is gluten-free and vegan, and you can add this to water, smoothies or juices. For me, I love adding collagen to a smoothie, but my other favorites as well are the Balance tonic. This is a great one mixed in ice water. It's very refreshing, and this has ashwagandha root and maca root, so it's a perfect one for women. This is also wonderful in smoothies too. And the other one that I love is the Gut Feel. This has baobab, I think it's pronounced, apple, barley grass, kiwi and ginger. I have tried this in smoothies, but I don't think it tastes as good as it does mixed in just with iced water. This is a green powder, and then the Balance tonic is, don't know if you can see it, I'll put a video up that I've done of this before. This is like a berry colour, just like the plant collagen one. So if you are interested in Rheal Superfoods, or you're a fan of this brand already, I do have a code for you guys, which is Laura PP Beauty for 20% off at rhealfoods.com. I will pop all the links down below along with all of my other discount codes.